Oh, oh. Big one. Yes! I'm fucking talking about. That's a big one, 6-pounder. You can hear me. Super windy. I just caught that 513 on the 6 cents Vega frog. First time I've thrown it. It walks super good. I really hope hookup ratios are good. So I just caught that 512 right here on the frog, and I had punched all this duck foil, and I had a bite on the frog, probably like 100 yards back, but it was a small one. But I'm just kind of flipping back and forth, and I don't know if you can see the blow up hole right there. So my frog hit the water, all that duckweed had moved because that fish had felt it, and made a couple twitches, and boom, smashed it. So I'm hoping, I'd like to catch some punching, but if big one's gonna eat the frog, I'm gonna throw the frog. So we'll see what happens. My boy Tweezy's out here. He's looking for some monthly upgrades, so hopefully he'll catch some. Let's do this. Wow, I just lost an absolute mega giant. That was another at least 5-pounder right there. Ate it on the fall, and I felt like I got a good hook in him. Come up and just spit it. I don't know. I'm not using a heavy weight either. It wasn't like I blew its mouth open. I just don't think I had got a good hook in it, to be honest with you. The hook come out of the plastic, like you would want. But I just don't think by the time I set the hook on it, it had moved 4 or 5 feet. It ate it on the fall, and when I picked it up, that's gonna happen. It's just the way it is. I don't feel that bad about it because I hit him and he comes straight up and spit it. It wasn't like, halfway to the boat or something. It is what it is. There's other ones in here. What was kind of crazy is that one was on the edge. I've been seeing a lot of fish off of the grass, and so I figured I'd just kind of start flipping around. I had been punching for a while, and just wasn't getting bit. I hope my GoPro got that fish when it come up and spit it, because its head was massive. I'll throw the frog around in this little spot. Usually you know, in grass. I keep saying it all the time. If you get a bite in grass, there's definitely more than just that one fish in there. Ooh. That was a good one. Just completely missed it. Got him that time. Yeah, baby. Whoo, I had like no line out. Talk about choke. Man, that was kind of ugly. I had like no line out. But that's another good one.